This workout is called Booty Gains Basic. You don't require any equipment for it. As the name implies, it's going to specifically target the muscles of the booty or the butt. This is going to be 4 rounds of 15 side-lying straight leg raise, 15 per side. Then single leg hip bridge, 8 per side. Then moving right into 25 frog pumps. That would complete 1 round. Rest 30 to 60 seconds in between rounds, and we're doing 4 rounds of this. I'll show you what the first round looks like right now. So we're going to start with 15 straight leg raises. I think these may have been called Jane Fonda's at one point in time. But yeah, just try to keep a nice steady pace. You can also do this with the mini band, but if you're not used to doing these, doing just body weight really starts to light up the muscles of the booty here. And that should be 15. Switch to the other side. Again, 15 of these per side. It's a good exercise. I definitely prefer doing these at my home because they do raise an eyebrow if you do these at the gym. But again, you can wrap a mini band right around about an inch or 2 above your ankles and do this, and it'll just accentuate this exercise. But if you haven't done these before, I suggest just starting body weight. So it's a good one. Call that about 15, maybe plus or minus 1. So that's the straight leg raise. Then we're going into single leg hip bridge, 8 per side. You're just going to plant one leg, drive through that heel, bridge your hips up as high as possible. The side that's pressing is going to really get fired up. You'll feel a big sensation in your butt and your hamstrings. All right, then switch to 8 on the other side. Again, really drive through that heel of the foot that's pressing into the ground. Try to bridge your hips up as high as possible and just enjoy the sensation there in the glutes and the hamstrings. And then moving right into 25 frog pumps. For these, you're gonna put your heels together and just basically pump your hips to the sky. Again, this one is preferred to be done at home. It does raise some eyebrows at the gym, but that shouldn't stop you. And with these workouts, I would argue you don't even have to waste time driving to the gym. So this is called Booty Gains Basic. Again, it's basic because you don't need any equipment. And the booty gains part comes from firing up the muscles of your butt and hamstrings. Frog pumps, I credit these to Bret Contreras. If you don't know who that man is, he's known as the glute guy. Just Google him. He's all about training, exercises to train and build the glutes, hence the name glute guys. This is where I got the frog pumps from. Even without body weight, you get a nice burn. I think that was, I don't know, that was close to 25. I lose count when I talk, but so that's Booty Gains Basic. Again, straight leg raises, 15 per leg. Single leg hip bridge, 8 per leg, and then froggy pumps, 25. You're going to complete 4 rounds of that. Afterwards, let me know how the glutes are feeling. It's a good pump for them, so try it out.